In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add video tracks on Filmora Video Editor. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so there are two ways you can add video tracks on Filmora Video Editor. In the first method, you can just automatically go ahead and drag video and place it on top of the current timeline in Filmora. So you can see currently I only have one video track here and the others are blank. So to create a video track, I can just go ahead and take the clip that I want to put on the second video track and then just drag and drop it here, and it will automatically create the second video track on this timeline. And you can see we have now two video tracks. Alternatively, you can add a video track manually by just right clicking here on this blank space, and then if you right click on it, you'll see we have this option: show audio solo, add video track, and add audio track. We are interested in adding video track, so I'll go ahead and choose the first option, add video track, and you can see if I click on it, now we have video track number 2 here. From here, you can now go ahead and select or choose your video clip from media and then add it on the second video track in Filmora. Should you want to add a third one, you can also just do the same. You can either just add on top of this to create a new one, or you can add it manually. So that's how you can add or create multiple video tracks in Filmora Video Editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.